Before buying a baby-proofing cabinet lock, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Skyla Homes Baby Locks. Let's kick things off with the Skyla Homes Baby Locks. This 8-pack is priced at just $9.99, which really caught my eye. It feels like a steal for such a critical safety item. If you want a straightforward solution to keep your little one out of cabinets, this is worth a serious look. What makes these locks special is their 3M adhesive, which allows for quick installation without any tools. That means you can easily set them up in seconds, which is such a relief as a busy parent. Plus, they're designed to be simple enough for adults to use but a nightmare for toddlers. With a high rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 40,000 reviews, it's clear that many parents trust them. Now, some users did mention that the adhesive can lose its grip over time, especially in hot environments. Here's the thing though, as long as you clean the surface before applying, most people find them reliable for long-term use. If you're in a cooler, stable environment, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option to secure your cabinets. Skip this one if you prefer locks that use a key mechanism. Now, if the adhesive concern with the Skyla locks made you think twice, the next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, V Macy Magnetic Cabinet Locks. Next up are the V Macy Magnetic Cabinet Locks, selling for $41.99 for a pack of 20. I was intrigued by the concept of invisible locks that you can't see from the outside. If you want a discreet solution that keeps your cabinets completely childproof, this one might catch your attention. These locks are pretty impressive because they use a magnetic key to unlock, keeping them hidden from little hands. The 3M adhesive makes installation easy, and they're designed to work with cabinets and drawers up to 2 inches thick, so versatility is a plus. With a 4.6-star rating from over 20,000 reviews, they seem to be well loved for their child safety features. However, I did see some feedback about installation challenges, especially if there are any metal components within your cabinets. But if you follow the installation tips and check for metal first, that issue can usually be avoided. For non-metal cabinets, these locks provide great peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want something that blends seamlessly with your cabinets. Skip this one if you're looking for a more visible locking mechanism. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need adjustable locks. Product number 3, Skyla Home Sliding Cabinet Locks. Now let's talk about the Skyla Home Sliding Cabinet Locks. Priced at $9.99 for a pack of 4, these locks caught my attention with their adjustable design. If you're dealing with different types of cabinet handles, this one's a real lifesaver. The U-shaped design allows for a snug fit on various cabinet knobs and pulls, making these locks adaptable to your home's unique setup. Installation takes just seconds without any tools, making it ideal for renters or anyone who doesn't want to damage their cabinets. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 5,600 reviews, they're clearly a popular choice. Some users mentioned that the release mechanism can be tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward for adults. If you have a lot of kitchen drawers to secure, these locks make it much easier to get in and out without worrying about your toddler. This is perfect for you if you need flexible locking options for various handles. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler, more fixed lock option. Now, if you want something that's not only adjustable but also offers multiple uses, let's check out the next product. Product number 4, Rusiki Cabinet Locks. Next up is the Rusiki Cabinet Locks at a budget-friendly price of $7.99 for a pack of 10. Honestly, the value here is impressive. If you want a multi-purpose safety solution, this is worth considering. These locks are designed to prevent babies from accessing drawers filled with sharp objects or hazardous materials. Plus, the 3M adhesive makes for easy installation, just peel and stick. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 600 reviews, they've got a good reputation. Some parents did express concerns about the durability of the strap material, especially with strong tugging. But the straps are also designed to be tear-resistant, so while it may not be indestructible, they hold up pretty well for most situations. just don't test them right in front of your baby. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile lock that works on all sorts of furniture. Skip this one if you need a more heavy-duty lock for extreme cases. Now, if you want a heavier-duty option, the next one might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Infino Cabinet Locks. Last but not least, we have the Infino Cabinet Locks, available for $9.99 for a pack of 12. I was impressed by their heavy-duty design. If you're looking for something more robust for your home, this one might be your best bet. These locks are crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials that are flexible yet durable, making them a great option for high-traffic areas. The tool-free peel and stick installation means you can get them set up quickly without damaging your cabinets. With a strong 4.6-star rating from nearly 500 reviews, they're proving to be a trusted choice. However, some users noted that they require a bit more manual dexterity to unlock, which can be a hassle if you're juggling a baby in one hand. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for a lock that keeps your little ones safe, especially if you're constantly in and out of the kitchen. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a strong, reliable lock that's easy to install. Skip this one if you want something that opens with just one hand. So there you have it. Each of these locks brings something unique to the table. To recap, we covered 5 solid baby-proofing cabinet locks. The Skyla Homes options are budget-friendly and easy to install, while the V. Macy locks offer a discreet design. The Skyla Homes sliding locks are adjustable, Rusiki locks are versatile, and Infino provides that extra durability. Whatever your needs are, there's a lock here for you.